This is the second iteration of my MOT search web page. This basically uses an Excel file as the database, quote unquote. And when you go onto the web page, what you see is all of the cars that have a MOT within 30 days, apart from this one. So what I've done here now, there is a notice period you can specify in the MOT per each car, and it can be any value you want, and it doesn't have to be obviously a car, it can be anything else, but obviously in this instance I'm using cars, so it gives you, the date when it's needed. You're 75 days in, and these other cars are 30 days. However, there is another trick. Obviously there is a history now, because I've split the Excel file into two sheets. So now you can actually have a look in the history. So anyone in the company can just go, okay, when the other ones have been done, and have they been done. But I am looking for a particular car, and it's Honda. I just remembered that the reg was KX, and here I got it, and the next MOT will be in about, what, 2.5 months or something to that tune. Now, this doesn't comply with the notice period from the landing page, because you're looking for a particular car. However, the other cool thing I've just slipped in is that, the more details tab, when you click on history, on the last MOT, last year, which passed, all good, there was a note made that, maybe it's time to replace the brake pad. So this year, when someone will be noticing this car in the landing page, and they'll have 30 days to deal with it, they will see, if this hasn't been dealt with yet, then definitely needs to be sorted out. So yeah, that's in a nutshell. I think I will go back to GAP VMS and my STD for further projects. I just thought this is quite entertaining, that you can get something different from an Excel file, and everyone can access it from within the network, rather than having to actually open File Explorer and find the shared Excel file and all that. Excel files drive me absolutely nuts, by the way, if you haven't noticed, but this is one solution to potentially make them less miserable. Alright, that's it. Yeah, I'm checking out. It's late at night. Night.